Namaste everyone, welcome again to the class. Here we are going to discuss the problems related with volume of cylinder. So let us first see what is the formula for volume of cylinder. This is something like a cylinder. Now if you see area at the base is pi r square. Now this area, if I multiply by height, I will get volume. So my volume is pi r square h. This is the formula for volume of a cylinder. Now let us see the problems. The first problem, the circumference of base of cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water it can hold? It is given that 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. Circumference of the base of cylindrical vessel is 132 and height is 25. So the first problem, 2 pi r, circumference of base is 2 pi r, it is given 132 and height h is given as 25 centimeter. So we have to find how much water this cylindrical vessel can hold. Means we have to find volume. Volume is question mark. So here volume is pi r square h. So for that we need to know what is the value of r. So from this 2 pi r is equals to 132. We will put the values of pi and find the value of r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 132. Therefore, I have value of r as 132 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22. So 2 plus 1, 3 and 3. So by 11 I can cancel this 132. So 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22 and here it is 11 2s are 22. Then 4 3s are. So I have r is equals to 3 7s are 21 centimeter. Now I know the value of r. I have to find volume. Volume V is equals to pi r square h. Now this pi r square h, as I already know the value of 2 pi r, so I will try to use this value. From this 2 pi r, I know that this pi r is equals to 132 upon 2. So here I will rephrase this as pi r into rh, and I will put the value of pi r, which is 132 divided by 2, into the value of r is 21 into h. H is 25 centimeters. So h is 25 centimeters. Okay. Now this I can cancel. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 25. Now 25, 66 into 21 into 25. Now 25, I will multiply with this 66. 25 6 are 150. Then 15 is remaining. 25 6 are 150. 150 plus 15 is 165. So this is 165 into 21. So 21, I will multiply this 1650 by 21. 21, when I multiply by 0, it is 0. 21 5s are 105. So 5, 10 is carry. 21 6 are 126. 126 plus 10, 136. So 6, 1 3, 13. Then 21 1s are 21. 21 plus 13 is 34. So 34,650 is your volume. Now this is centimeter cube. I want it in meter cube. I want it in liter. So we will divide by 1000 and I will say that this is 34.650 liter. Let us check again the calculations. Okay, 34,650. Okay, this is fine. So 34.650 liter is the volume, required volume. Now let us go to the next problem. The inner diameter of this cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. So inner and outer diameter. The inner diameter is 24 and outer diameter is 28. So second question, I will say that diameter inner is 24 and diameter outer is 28. Next, the length of the pipe is 35. So length of the pipe L is equals to 35. All dimensions are in centimeter. Let us check again. Yes, all the dimensions are in centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 kg. So here density we have given mass is 0.6 gram per centimeter cube. So how I will get total mass? So for that, first I will calculate the total volume. So for that I need outer volume minus inner volume. As you can see from the data, it is known that the cylinder is a hollow cylinder. So let us draw a hollow cylinder. This is something like a hollow cylinder. Yes, something like this. So from diameter inner, I can find radius inner, which is 12 centimeter. From diameter outer, I can find radius outer, which is 14 centimeter. And length is nothing but height. So H is equals to L is equals to 35 centimeters. So my volume V is equals to pi, in bracket I will say that R outer square minus R inner square into H, and the total mass is 0.6 into V, which is 0.6 into, now in place of pi I will put 22 divided by 7 into RO square minus RI square. So A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. So this is 14 minus 12 into 14 plus 12 into H. So H is 35. So this calculation will give me total mass. So this is 0.6 into 22 into, now 14 minus 12 is 2 into, here it is 26 into 35 whole divided by 7. Now 7 5s are 35. So I got 5 here. Now this 5 to the 10. I will multiply 5 to the 10. So this is 10 and this 0.6 is 0.6 into 10 is 6. 6 into 22. So here it is 6 into 22 into 26. So this will give you 6 into 22 into 26. You multiply and the answer which you will get is something 3432. So 3432 gram is total mass. Now you can convert it in kilogram by dividing by 1000. So this is 3.432 kilogram. This is total mass. Now let us move to third question. A soft drink is available in 2 packs. A tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 cm and width of 4 cm, having a height of 15 cm, and a plastic cylinder with the circular base of diameter 7 cm and height 10 cm, which container has the greater capacity and by how much? So a soft drink is available in the 2 packs, a tin can and a rectangular base. So we have a rectangular base, means we have one cuboidal shape and one cylindrical shape. So I will say that for cuboid, so here Third question, for cuboid, length, breadth and height. Now if you check length, breadth and height for cuboid 5, 4 and 15. 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 15 centimeter. This is for cuboid. And for cylinder we have radius and height. So radius is 7 and height is 10. Which container has a greater capacity and by how much? Okay, so for cylinder, radius is 7 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter height. So I will use a better capital H. Height is 10 centimeter. Now it is simple. First I will calculate volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is LBH. So 5 into 4 into 15. So this is 5 for 15. Now 5 for the 20. 20 into 15 is 15 to the 30. So 300. So 300 centimeter cube is your volume for cuboid, and volume for cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h is equals to value of pi is 22 divided by 7 into r, radius is 7 square, so it is 7 into 7 into h is 10. Now this 7 and 7 will cancel, and here I have 22 into 7, so 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14, 115, so this is 154 into 10 is equals to 1540. This is volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder is 1540 centimeter cube. This is volume of cylinder. So now at one place we have 300 centimeter cube, and at other place we have 1540 centimeter cube. So obviously the volume of cylinder is more. So here I will say that the volume of cylinder, therefore volume of cylinder is more. Okay, let us check if they ask anything else. Which container has a greater capacity and by how much? So volume of cylinder 5 for the 20, 15 to the 30, this is 300, and here it is 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 10, 7 7 cut. Okay, so the volume of cylinder is more by 1540 minus 300 is equals to, so 0, 4, 5 minus 3, 2, 1240 centimeter cube. So volume of cylinder is more by 1240 centimeter cube than cuboid. Now let us move to the fourth question. The lateral surface area of cylinder is 94.2 and its height is 5. Then find the radius of base and its volume. Use pi is equals to 3.14. Lateral surface area for cylinder. What is the lateral surface area for cylinder? It is lateral surface area 2 pi r h. The lateral surface of the cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square. So this is 94.2 centimeter square. Height is 5. Height is 5 centimeter. We have to find radius and volume, and the value of pi which we are going to use is 3.14. So first, this 2 pi rh is equals to 94.2. Therefore 2 into the value of pi is 3.14 into r we don't know, into h is 5. This total is 94.2. Therefore the value of r is 94.2 whole divided by 5 to the 10 into 3.14. So 94.2 divided by 31.4. Now 4 3s are 12. So if I multiply by 3, 3 4s are 12, I get 2, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, 1 4, and 3 3s are 9. So 94.2 I can easily cut and I will get answer as 3. So from unit place you can understand how you can divide. So here I got 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter is radius. Now once I got the radius, I can find out volume. Volume V is, now again 2 pi RH is given and I want pi r square. So no worry, right here volume is equals to pi r square h is equals to 3.14 into 3 square into the value of h is 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter. So 5 fours are 20, 5 and the 5 to 7, 5 threes are 15. 15.7 multiplied by 9. 9 sevens are 63. 6, 9 fives are 45. 45 plus 6, so 45 plus 5, 50, 51, 5 carry. 9, 1 the 9, 9 plus 5, 14. So I get 141.3 centimeter cube. So this is the required volume. Fourth done. Now fifth question. It cost rupees 2200 to paint the inner core surface of the cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. If the cost of painting is at rate of rupees 20 per meter square, find the inner core surface area, radius of the base and capacity of the vessel. So in most of the problem you will see that it is nothing but to apply your multiplication division concept. That is, you should know the formula and how to calculate it. Rest all is simple. Now here the total cost of painting they have given 2200. Second, they have given the height of the cylindrical vessel is 10 meter. And third, they have given the rate, which is 20 per meter square. Now, if you know the rate, if you know the total cost, you can find total inner surface area, inner core surface area, because rate multiplied by inner core surface area will give you total cost. So 22,000 divided by 20 will give you inner core surface area. Then radius of base, the formula for inner curved surface area is what? 2 pi RH. Now you know the h, you know the value of pi, you can find the radius of the base. And finally, volume. So pi r square h will give you the volume. Okay. So let us solve this problem. Fifth question. So first you read the question, understand there itself what are the things given and how you can find. So cost is rupees 22,200, rupees 2200. Rate is rupees 20 and height is 10 meter, 10 meter deep. Okay, 10 meter. This is rate rupees 20 per meter square. So here I will say that the cost is inner curve surface area multiplied by rate. So therefore I get inner curved surface area. This will become cost upon rate. So cost is 2200. So this is equals to 2200 divided by rate is rupees 20. So divide by 20. So this 0 cancel and I will get 110. So this is inner curved surface area 110 meter square. Now once I get the inner curved surface area, so from that I can find the value of r. 2 pi RH is 110. So 2 into 22 divided by 7 into R into H is 10 is 110. So therefore R is 110 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 10. So this is equals to, now this 0 and this 0 will cancel. 11 to the, so R is 7 divided by 4. Radius is 7 divided by 4. So I get radius of the base. Now I have to find capacity, volume. So volume is pi R square H. So here it is 22 divided by 7 into R is 7 divided by 4 into 7 divided by 4 into H is 10. So this 7 will cancel. Now 2 to the 4 and here I will get 11, then 2 5 the 10. So here it is 11 7 the 77 multiplied by 5 divided by 4. So 7 5 the 35, 3. 7 5 the 35, 35 plus 3, 38. So this is 385 divided by 4. So I will get 4 9s are 36 to 25, 4 6 are 24, 1 10, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 96.25 meter cube is the volume. 96.25 meter cube. So this is the capacity of the vessel. Sixth problem is the capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liter. How many square meter of the metal sheet would be needed to make it? So volume is given, volume in liter is given, height is given. We have to find area of the metal sheet required to make the closed cylindrical vessel. So let us write volume. Volume is 15.4 liter. Height H is 1 meter. What I will do, I will convert this 15.4 liter into centimeter cube by multiplying it by 1000. So it is 15400 centimeter cube, and this height I will convert it in centimeter, 100 centimeter. We have to find area, total area. Okay, so for that first I will find radius. Now volume is pi r square h. So therefore pi r square h will be equal to 15400. Therefore the value of pi is 22 upon 7 into radius. Radius is r is radius, we don't know, so r square into h is 100 centimeter. Pi r square h is equals to, here we have 15400. So this 20 I will cancel and I will get r square is equals to 154 into 7 divided by 22. So with 11 I will cancel, 11 1 the 11, 11 4 the and 11 2 the. Now 2 7 the 14. So r square is 7 into 7. So therefore the value of r is 7. So radius is 7 centimeter. I got radius. So once I got radius, I can find out total surface area. So total surface area, I hope you know, you have done this while you are doing surface area problems. It is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. So 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 7 into 7 plus h is 100. So this 7 will cancel. We have 44 into 107. Now 44 into 107 will give you 4708 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area. They haven't asked me to find it in centimeter cube or meter cube. So in whatever unit you want, you can find this value. Seventh problem, a lead pencil consists of cylindrical wood with a solid cylinder of graphite fitted in the interior. The diameter of the pencil is 7 millimeter and the diameter of the graphite is 1 millimeter. If the length of pencil is 14 centimeter, find the volume of wood and that of the graphite. So if I draw the pencil, it will be something, let us get something more thicker. Suppose, or, yes, nice. So what I will do, little dark. In this, we have graphite. So graphite is something like this. It will be a straight line. Okay, you know how to draw the straight line. Okay, with the scale you can draw. So in between we have a graphite which is 1 mm in diameter. So here inside the diameter small d is 1 mm. So radius will be equals to 1 divided by 2 mm. And outer diameter capital D we have 7 mm. So capital R we can say that it is 7 upon 2 mm. And height of this whole graphite is 14 centimeter. If the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter, so this total height is 14 centimeter. Okay, 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter is 140 mm. Okay, your all dimensions should be in the same way. 140 mm, 14 centimeter. Now what I have to find? I have to find volume of graphite and volume of wood. So here volume of graphite. Volume of graphite, this inner volume, how we will get? Pi r square h will be the formula. Pi is 22 upon 7. R is 1 upon 2 square into h is 140. So 7 2 the I will get 22 into 1 upon 4 into 20. 4 5 the, then I will have 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 1 11, 110 mm volume, so mm cube. So this is the volume of graphite. Now the volume of wood. Volume of wood. So if I take this total volume, it will include graphite also. So I will subtract the volume of graphite from the total volume. So I have volume of wood is equals to pi capital R square H minus volume of graphite. So 22 divided by 7 into R is 7 into 7 into height is 140 minus here I have 110. So this we will calculate, the 7 will cancel. Then we have 22 into we have 7 into 140. You are very good in calculation, you can calculate it. It is 21560 minus 110 is equal to 21450 mm cube. This is the volume. This is the volume of wood. So volume of wood is 21,450 mm cube. A patient in the hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 centimeter. If the bowl is filled with soup to a height of 4 centimeter, how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? Simple question. They are given soup in cylindrical bowl of diameter 7. So here for soup we have diameter of cylinder as 7 centimeter and height as 4 centimeter. So diameter 7 centimeter, height 4 centimeter, number of patient is 250. So I will first find volume of soup given to one person. Volume of soup given to one, you will say person or patient? One patient is equals to one patient. How much we will give? So diameter is there. So from this we can calculate radius, which is 7 upon 2 centimeter. So volume of soap given to one patient is pi r square h, which is 22 upon 7, into radius is 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into h is 4. So this 4 I will cancel, this 7 I will cancel. Now 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14, 115, 154 centimeter cube is the volume of soup given to one patient. So therefore, volume of soup given to 250 patients. Therefore, total volume of soup given to 250 patients is equals to 154 into 250 is equals to 154 into 250 will be somewhere 38,500 centimeter cube, or you divide by 1000 and you say that it is 38.5 liter. This is the total volume of soup given to all 250 patients. So this is how we have done with volume of cylinders. Okay, all the problems of volume of cylinder we have done. Approximately 30 minutes it takes to solve all the problems. In each exercise we are seeing that the number of means the time, total time which you need to give is about 30 minutes, and in 30 minutes you are able to solve 8 problems. That means to solve one problem approximately 4 minutes. So this is how you can consider how much time you should give in exams to solve this kind of problems. So as I am doing it in 4 minutes, you take 6 minutes. Okay, you should not take more than 6 minutes to solve one problem of this surface area and volume. Thank you.